Hello students, welcome back to our Mission Drug Inspector 2025 series. आज आपण बघणार आहे टॉक्झिकोलॉजी लेक्चर नंबर 2. लेक्चर नंबर 1 मध्ये आपण क्लासिफिकेशन, चिलेटिंग एजंट्स, इन्सेक्टिसाइड्स, पॉयझनिंग अँड अदर पॉयझनिंग बघितलेलं आहे. आता आपण त्या पॉयझनिंगचं अँटीडोट्स बघणार आहोत. तर चलो without any further ado, let's get started. Now, what are antidotes? Antidotes are the substances that counter-reacts the effect of the poison or a toxin by various mechanisms, such as the neutralizing the poison, blocking its action on receptors, or accelerating its breakdown to the less harmful substances. Poisons ला अँटीडोट्स आहेत. पॉयझनचं रिॲक्टिव्हिटी कमी करणं, बॉडीमधून त्याचं हार्मफुलनेस कमी करणं, दॅट इज द रोल ऑफ अँटीडोट्स. नाउ दीज आर द 16 अँटीडोट्स which can mostly ask in a MPSC ड्रग इन्स्पेक्टर एक्झाम 2025. तर चलो बघूयात. ओपॉइड पॉयझनिंगसाठी वी यूज द नॅलॉक्झोन अँटीडोट. बेन्झोडायझेपिन्स वी यूज फ्लुमॅनिल. Paracetamol, we use N-acetylcysteine. Organophosphates, we use atropine and palidoxamine. For cyanide poisoning, we use amyl nitrite or sodium nitrite in combination with the sodium thiosulfate. Carbon monoxide, we use 100% oxygen or hyperbaric O2. Iron poisoning, we already seen in the first lecture of toxicology, that is difoxamine. Copper we use penicillamine. Mercury we use dimercaprol or succinyl. Arsenic we use dimercaprol, bal and penicillamine. Lead poisoning we use EDTA, dimercaprol, bal, succinamide. Digitalis we use digoxin specific antibody fragments. Heparin overdose we use prolantamine sulfate. Most important, warfarin overdose we use vitamin K, or if a severe condition we use a fresh plasma. For beta blockers we use glucagon as an antidote. For calcium channel blockers we use calcium gluconate. These are the 16 antidotes mostly asked in a MPSC drug inspector exam. Clear? Topic 6. CNS drug poisons. Due to the CNS drug, some drugs cause poisoning, and most commonly happen drugs are these: opioid poisoning, morphine or heroin. साइन काय आहे? पिनपॉइंट प्युपिल्स, रेस्पिरेटरी डिप्रेशन अँड CNS डिप्रेशन. जर सिव्हिअर असेल तर कोमामध्ये पण पेशंट जाऊ शकतो. व्हॉट इज द ट्रीटमेंट? द बेस्ट अँटीडोट इज naloxone and respiratory support you can give. Second is barbiturate poisoning. It is a CNS depressant which is used in old sedatives. Sign is drowsiness, coma, hyperthermia and hypotension. Treatment for barbiturate, there is no specific antidote, but they use the activated charcoal or supportive care to treat the barbiturate poisoning. C is benzodiazepam poisoning due to the diazepam and loperazepam. Sign are drowsiness, confusion and slurred speech. The best antidote for treatment is flumaxinil. Caffeine poisoning, palpitation, restlessness, seizures. Treatment is IV fluid propranolol for a tachycardia. And last but not the least is alcohol poisoning. Signs are CNS depression, hypoglycemia and metabolic acidosis. What is the treatment for it? Is IV glucose thiamine and fomepizole or ethanol in case of methanol poisoning. Clear? Related to the CNS drug poisoning, these are the most caused poisoning. Students, last topic under the toxicology: genotoxicity, carcinogenicity, tetragenicity and mutagenicity. We will cover it in a short related to the MCQs only. Okay, what is genotoxicity? Any genetic damage broader than mutagenicity. What is mutagenicity? It is a permanent heritable DNA changes, and more than that, any genetic damage broader than mutagenicity is genotoxicity. What will happen in genotoxicity? DNA breaks, क्रॉस लिंकेज फॉर्म्स, डीएनए ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर क्रॉस लिंकेज फॉर्म होत आहे आणि मॉडिफिकेशन होतं डीएनए मध्ये. कॉन्सिक्वेन्सेस काय आहेत? इट कॉज अ क्रोमोझोमल ॲबनॉर्मलिटीज अँड कॅन्सर इनिशिएशन कॅन हॅपन. All mutagens are genotoxic, but not all genotoxics are mutagens. For example, radiation clastogens. Asked question is genotoxicity tested using AMASE test. Previously asked question, tested using AMASE test and chromosomal assays. Second, carcinogenicity, ability to cause cancer, initiation, propagation, and progression. It is a mechanism of carcinogenicity. The genotoxic carcinogens are direct DNA damage. For example, benzopyrene and alpha toxin. Non-genotoxins are indirect promotion or chronic irritation. Now third, heterogeneity. What is heterogeneity? The birth defect in fetus or embryo. Direct transfer of birth defects from mother to fetus. Example, thalidomide, isotretinoin, alcohol and rubella virus. Thalidomide event, everyone knows about the thalidomide event. क्रिटिकल पिरियड फर्स्ट ट्रायमिस्टर मध्ये जास्त धोका असतो फिटसला तुमचं टेटेराजेनेसिटी होण्यासाठी. ऑर्गॅनोजेनेसिस वी कॅन कॉल्ड इज ॲज ऑर्गॅनोजेनेसिस, एनी abnormality in fetus depend on a timing of exposure, dose, genetic susceptibility of a mother and fetus. Classic tetragen is thalidomide. We already know the thalidomide event. Now what is mutagenicity? Mutagenicity is a permanent heritable DNA changes. Targets are somatic cells for disease and germ cell with heritability. Example is UV radiation, ionization radiation, aromatic hydrocarbons and alkylating agent. Now what are the physical mutagens? UV and X-rays, and chemical mutagens are alkylating agent. These four topics are there in toxicology. Here we have finished the toxicology subject in the Drug Inspector 2025 MPSC syllabus. तर स्टुडंट्स अभ्यास करा. ऑल द बेस्ट. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब. स्टडी हार्ड.